Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Erica. If this is your first time here, welcome. This channel is all about home decor and lifestyle. So if that is your thing, then please consider subscribing. So today, you guys, is Friday, March the 3rd, and I just got home from work and I was so excited to see that my package arrived. So I have been looking for a nice handbag for a while. There's certain requirements that I look for in a bag, and I was on the Tory Burch website probably like about a week and a half ago, and she sent me over a 15% off coupon. And so I had my eye on a bag for a while and some earrings, so I decided to go ahead and place an order. I feel like her products are really nice yet affordable, of course, depending on what it is that you're looking for. So I've had my purse now for like maybe, I don't know, close to 2 years, and I felt like it was high time for me to treat myself to a really nice designer bag. So I wanted to come on and share with you guys my purchase. So I decided to get this is the ivory handbag that I chose, and I'm gonna go ahead and open it and give you guys a really good look at it. It is a tote, and so I knew that I wanted something bigger than what I currently have, and so this right here really fit the bill. The original price was $248, and I paid $210 for this bag, which I thought for the size of this bag, and then too, with it being a designer bag, I thought that was a really good price. So this is what it looks like outside of the packaging. And let's see here what it says on the back. So this is called the Ever Ready Small Tote is the name of it, and the color is in ivory, as you can see here. And one of the things that I really like about this bag is that if you guys are familiar with Goyard, that's another designer brand, the pattern of this bag is similar to the Goyard look of a bag. So I thought that that was super cute, and got the straps right there. So I want to take all of this off. I do like the fact too that it is double strapped, and of course I went and I read the reviews, because it makes me a little nervous when the straps are this thin, because typically the straps tend to wear out faster than the body of the purse. So those are the straps without the wrapping on it. And so it is a zipper tote. So I'm gonna open it up and show you guys what it looks like on the inside. So it's really spacious, as you can see there. It's really spacious, and the purse goes pretty deep. So of course we have all of that in there. And so it does have this little side piece here where you can unzip it and put, like, you know, pins, or that's what I'm gonna put in there, are my pins, and just you know, pieces of candy, stuff like that, my pack of gum. And then it also has, like, I guess like a little change purse right here, almost kind of like a wallet in a way. If you wanted to take some things out of the wallet, it does have this smaller bag in here, which I think is really functional. So I like that. So what I'm thinking is that, like, when it's that time of the month, and I can put, you know, sanitary products in here, that way to keep it, you know, discreet, and it goes right back inside of the tote here. So I really love the functionality of this bag, and I think it's super, super cute, and it's going to serve all the purposes that I need. And so I'm going to show you guys what it looks like on. So as you can see, it fits really, really good. Sit you guys back for a second. As you can see, it fits really good up under my arm, which I think is perfect. Like, y'all, this is the perfect size bag for me and the type of things that I carry. So super cute. So there she is again. And like I said, I thought that the pricing on this bag was really good. So that's the tote that I picked up. And like I said, I also wanted to get me some new earrings. So the earrings, to me, even with the discount, were still kind of pricey, but I decided to get some of the Tory Burch earrings here in silver. And I'll take it out of the packet here, but that's how it was packaged. That's how it came to me. So outside of the package, they provide you with this little cloth tote. And I think this is super cute. It has the Tory Burch emblem right there on the side. That's super cute. I'll bring you guys a little bit closer. Okay, so it does have that. So that is pretty nice. Be able to store them properly. And then the earrings themselves, let me show you guys what that looks like. Y'all, these are just as beautiful in person as I thought that they would be. So as you can see, it has the Tory Burch logo in the middle of the hoops. And as you can see, I'm wearing hoops now. That is my go-to earring. I'm starting to kind of get into studs and earrings that are not hoops, but I love a good hoop. And so what I want to do is try these on for you guys so y'all can see what they look like on. But I think that these are the perfect size because, you know, I want to wear them to work and I didn't want them to be, you know, too big. And so they're not. So let's see what they look like on. Make sure I can work with these things with these nails. My nails aren't long, but they can still kind of get in the way. But as far as the earrings, they were one with the discount, with the 15% off, they were, I want to say, $159. So like I said, kind of pricey, but I wanted to treat myself, and I had been eyeing these earrings for a while, you guys. And so I figured that I would indulge and finally treat myself to a designer pair of earrings. Oh, these are gorgeous. I absolutely love them, you guys. What do y'all think? So let me come a little closer so y'all can see what they look like from the side. I think those are absolutely stunning. And like I said, they are the perfect size. So I went on ahead and grabbed these. I think they're so pretty. I'm so super satisfied with my purchase. You know, sometimes you just never know what a product is going to look like in person versus how it is on the website. And I feel like sometimes they can make it appear to be, you know, super great, and then when you get it in person, that's really not the case. And so my last purchase from the shop was another pair of earrings. Let me get it out the wrapper here, show you guys. And I decided to also treat myself to a gold pair here. And I think those are absolutely stunning. And then of course here it also comes with the protective bag, just like the other set. And so let's try the gold pair on so you guys can see what this pair looks like. And it's like a really beautiful gold. It's not that super like heavy, dark gold. To me, it's like the right tone of gold. I think these are beautiful. So it seems like I'm getting this pair in a little bit easier than I did the silver ones. Yep, so that's the gold pair. You guys, they are so super cute. I just love them so much. So let me give you guys a close-up of the gold pair. See what those look like. I think these are super, super pretty. So like I said, I'm super, super happy with my purchase, and I'm so glad that I bit the bullet and finally made this purchase. I feel like these items are going to last me for a while, and I do a really good job of, you know, taking good care of my items and making sure that, you know, I keep them in really good shape so that they do last for a while, especially with the money that I paid for these earrings. These earrings were definitely the most expensive purchase. I feel like out of the two, that bag, I don't think that was a bad price for the bag. $210 for a designer bag, that's not bad at all, especially for that size. So yeah, super excited to finally have these items. The shipping was really fast. They were delivered via UPS, so they dropped them off right at my door. Didn't have any issues with the delivery or the customer service. So I ordered early that morning, and they shipped the next day in the afternoon. So the turnaround with all of that was perfect. And like I said, I am super happy with my purchase. So you guys, thanks so much for tuning in to this unboxing and just being here to see some of the items that I purchased. There are some sunnies that I was looking at on her site. So I may go back and get me some of those as well. We'll see, because it did have a nice price tag to it for some sunglasses. So I'm still trying to process that to see if that's something that I want to do. But yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you all in the next video. Take care.